In today's information age, we have much more data coming from many different places. This could be tough to analyze and take vast amount of your valuable time. This delay often leads to missed opportunities, unnecessary problems, and in the end, lost revenue. There is no better place than Dashboard to solve all of these problems. Dashboard provides you a bird's eye view of your fleet and all the analytics you need, so that you can quickly act on your findings and achieve the results you need. With our newly designed dashboard and a lot better user experience, your work will be easier than ever, so you can be a lot more productive in managing your fleet business. Let's get started with our newly designed dashboard widgets. At the top, you can see the fleet status widget, which displays details of running, idling, stopped, and inactive objects. Next to the fleet status, you will find fleet usage widget. The chart view here will help you to understand the total usage of your fleet. Fleet idle will give you statistics about the fuel wasted during idling. Job information highlights the total number of jobs scheduled for today. You will also get to know the number of jobs which are already completed, currently running, and the jobs that are not yet started. We have a variety of violations which help you to understand the driver behavior through the journey and warns you with multiple alerts like overspeeding, fence overstay, AC misuse, stay away from the zone, stay in zone, and temperature. Here are the widgets dedicated to reminders. Reminder gives a detailed view of maintenance and renewal reminders so that you don't miss any scheduled service. Next widget is Fleet Fuel. This is one of the most important widgets for all fleet managers. This will tell you the exact amount of fuel drained and the amount of fuel refilled for your fleet today. This dashboard is fully customizable, which means you only see information that is most relevant to you. This is not just a screen, this is your path to success.